All right, so I want to show you another difference between how a lot of these companies do these gutters versus us. So you saw the video of me hanging off the gutter system the other day. The reason I can do that is we use these mamma jammas. Now, observe, if you will, the difference. Hold on. There you go. So the standard guy, I mean, nothing wrong with these, I guess, but our guy, what's cool about it, or what makes the difference, is so they've got their, I guess, support engineering on the bottom. The way ours do it, it's on the top. I can bend this with my one hand. Cannot bend this guy with my one hand. So we always use these brute hangers, and then instead of these nonsense screws that these guys are using with no grommets, we use these ceramic coated sheet metal screws that we special order with the neoprene grommet. And what it means is when it gets, here in Montana right now it's 30 degrees. It'll get 110 here in the summer. Radiant heat, ambient heat from the roof and whatnot, probably a lot more than that. 100 and who knows what, 20, 130. And then in the winter, I mean, you're liable to get -20, -30 down here. So those temperature differences, man, they'll just destroy exterior home work. So you've got to use classier, better engineered material to survive long-term out here in Montana. So, we're looking at this gutter system. I don't know who did it. I want to find out, because I'm going to put them in my Rolodex of companies I don't want to deal with. But yeah, man, it's we're going to go ahead and put some of these brute hangers in here, give it some extra support. We're going to get these ceramic coated screws in here, make sure the water's flowing right, and put our guards on, our Spartan guard, as you can see right here, beautiful as can be. Yeah, we will charge more, but we will do more. We never want our customers to have to call somebody back out to fix things. It's just silly. It's just silly. So if I had been the project manager on this job, I would have been very unhappy with my guys. So no bueno. All right, give us a call, Spartan Gutter Guards. We'll get it taken care of.